What if I told you the most powerful anti-inflammatory tool costs nothing, saves you time, and you're already doing part of it every night? In fact, all of our ancestors practiced this natural anti-inflammatory strategy without even thinking about it. So it's literally built into our genetic code. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, considered it to be the most powerful natural healer and recommended it to his patients and all the physicians he trained. Everyone from Jesus Christ to Plato and Aristotle and Leonardo da Vinci were strong advocates of this practice and recommended it for their followers. I'm talking about fasting. Most people think fighting inflammation requires expensive supplements, special foods, or more time. The truth is, the most powerful reset button for your body is free and happens when you're not eating. Let me show you exactly what happens hour by hour. You see, every hour you fast, your body goes through a specific healing process. This is your fasting timeline, a cheat sheet for what's happening inside your body from hour 12 all the way to 5 days. So let's start with the simplest fast that gets you moving in the right direction. At 12 hours, that is a full gut and liver detox cycle. So 12 hours, you've completed a full gut and liver detox cycle. Your digestive system has finished processing your last meal. Your liver has cleared out toxins, and your body is shifting from using food as fuel to using stored energy. This is where most people stop. They eat breakfast at the 12-hour mark and restart the clock. But here's what you're missing. Your gut finally gets a break. Your liver can focus on detoxification instead of digestion. And inflammation in your digestive tract starts to drop because you're not constantly introducing new food particles. You see, when you eat, it's a lot of mechanical stress on your gut. And taking time, at least 12 hours, allows the gut to now start to heal and seal. You're giving it rest. And if you're dealing with bloating, digestive issues, or brain fog, getting to this 12-hour mark consistently is your first step. But the magic really starts at hour 14. You see, at 14 hours, insulin and blood sugar drop significantly and fat burning kicks in. Remember, insulin is your storage hormone. When it's high, fat burning is locked off. You can't burn fat. When it drops, your body finally can access stored fat for energy. This is the metabolic switch. You're shifting from sugar burning mode to fat burning mode. This is where stubborn weight starts coming off. Belly fat, love handles, the fat that wouldn't budge no matter how much you exercised. This is when your body can finally use it. Plus, when insulin is low, inflammation drops. You see, high insulin drives inflammation throughout your entire body. Lowering insulin is like turning down the inflammation dial. Your joints feel better, your skin clears up, your energy stabilizes. But wait until you see what happens next. We go to 16 to 18 hours. And between that 16 to 18 hour mark, that's when ketones start to increase and you get an elevation in BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, for better brain function. You see, ketones are molecules your liver produces from fat when glucose is low. They're a cleaner, more efficient fuel source than sugar, especially for your brain. BDNF stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain that helps you think sharper and clearer. This is when mental clarity kicks in, brain fog lifts, focus sharpens, memory improves. Many people report feeling more alert and productive during this window than after eating breakfast. Why? Because ketones produce less oxidative stress than glucose. They generate more energy with less inflammatory byproducts. And BDNF helps grow new brain cells. It protects existing neurons and it improves cognitive function. This is also when your body starts recycling damaged proteins and clearing out cellular debris. Your cells are getting cleaner and more efficient. But the real healing begins at 18 hours. And between that 18 to 24-hour mark, inflammation goes down significantly and autophagy and deep cellular healing increases. You see, autophagy is your body's cellular cleaning mechanism. It's what your body does to really heal and regenerate within the cell. It breaks down these old damaged cellular proteins, these senescent or aged cells, and refreshes them. Think of it as Pac-Man going through your cells, looking for damaged parts, old proteins, dysfunctional mitochondria, inflammatory debris, eating them and recycling them into new healthy components. This is when your body repairs itself at the cellular level. This is the inflammation crusher. Chronic inflammation is at the root of almost every disease: heart disease, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's, autoimmune conditions. When you activate autophagy, you're addressing inflammation at its source. Your cells are removing the damaged parts that generate inflammatory signals. Your immune system is getting a reset. Your mitochondria, those little battery packs in your cells, are being repaired and replaced with newer, more efficient ones. And ultimately, the quality of your life is going to come down to the amount of high-functioning, stress-resilient mitochondria you have in your body. Autophagy is critical for generating healthy, strong, stress-resilient mitochondria. And here's the kicker: autophagy is triggered by the absence of food, not by the presence of something. You can't supplement your way into autophagy. You have to fast for it. This is also why people report improvements in chronic pain, joint issues, skin conditions, and digestive problems when they fast regularly. You're not just managing symptoms, you're removing the underlying cause. But if you think that's impressive, wait until hour 24. At 24 hours, human growth hormone rises dramatically, up to 2,000% in men and 1,300% in women. Now, HGH, or human growth hormone, is one of the most important anti-aging and fat-burning hormones in your body. It preserves muscle mass, burns fat, strengthens bones, and improves skin quality. People pay thousands of dollars per month for growth hormone injections. You're getting it for free by not eating. You see, HGH works synergistically with autophagy. While autophagy is cleaning out the damaged parts, HGH is building new, healthy tissue. You're simultaneously breaking down the old and building up the new. This is why fasting preserves muscle mass despite not eating. HGH signals your body to hold on to critical and valuable muscle and burn dangerous fat instead, particularly visceral fat that surrounds your organ systems and chokes off blood supply. We've got to reduce the visceral fat in our body, and our innate intelligence knows that. So when we're undergoing this sort of fast, we're going to hold on to muscle tissue and we're going to burn that dangerous visceral fat. It's the opposite of what happens with calorie restriction diets, where you lose both muscle and fat. So with fasting, you actually maintain your muscle and burn the dangerous visceral fat. Now, the other benefit, anti-aging. You see, HGH improves skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, strengthens hair and nails, and improves bone density. This is your natural fountain of youth. And remember, this happens at the 24-hour mark. 1 day per week of fasting gives you this HGH surge 52 times per year. But the benefits don't stop there. If you keep going after that 24-hour mark and you go up to 36 hours, you get a shifting in your gut microbiome and increased intestinal stem cells. You see, your gut bacteria composition starts to change. The inflammatory bacteria that thrive on constant food intake begin to die off. The beneficial bacteria that support metabolism and immune function, they start to flourish. Plus, your intestinal stem cells, the cells responsible for regenerating your gut lining, they increase dramatically. This is massive for gut health. If you have leaky gut, IBS, food sensitivities, autoimmune conditions, histamine intolerance, mast cell, all that stuff starts to get better because we start healing a damaged gut lining and we start to balance the microbiome. By fasting, you're giving your gut a chance to heal itself. The stem cells repair the intestinal barrier. The beneficial bacteria crowd out the bad ones. Inflammation in your gut drops significantly. And since 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, when your gut heals, your entire immune system gets stronger. You're less reactive to foods, less prone to infections, and your autoimmune symptoms improve. And now we're entering the deep healing zone from 36 to 48 hours. So if we go from a day and a half to 2 days, 48 hours, you enter a high fat burning state and you get into deep ketosis. When you have deep ketosis, you get an increase in the neurotransmitter GABA that significantly calms the brain. At this point, ketones are your primary fuel source. Your body is running entirely on stored fat. GABA is your calming neurotransmitter. It counteracts anxiety, improves sleep, and reduces stress. Now, why does this matter? It's when people report feeling euphoric, calm, and deeply focused. Hunger usually disappears at this stage. Your energy is stable throughout the day without any crashes. The combination of high ketones and elevated GABA creates a state of calm alertness. You're mentally sharp, but emotionally balanced. Anxiety drops. Racing thoughts quiet down. This is also when fat loss accelerates dramatically. You're burning fat 24/7 at this point. Belly fat, visceral fat, stubborn fat stores, they're all being mobilized for energy. And the anti-inflammatory effects are profound. Joint pain improves, skin conditions clear up, brain fog is completely gone. But if you want the ultimate immune reset, then you go to 72 hours. You see, from 48 to 72 hours, you get higher autophagy levels and your immune system gets rejuvenated. At this stage, autophagy is at its peak. Your body is aggressively cleaning out damaged cells, old proteins, and inflammatory debris. But here's what's really happening. Your immune system is regenerating itself. Studies show that prolonged fasting triggers the death of old, damaged immune cells and the birth of new healthy ones. Your white blood cell count temporarily drops as old cells die off, then rebound with fresh, more effective, younger, stress-resilient immune cells. This is why fasting has been shown to help with autoimmune conditions, chronic infections, and even cancer. You're literally getting a new immune system. People with rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, multiple sclerosis, and other autoimmune conditions report significant improvements after regular 48 to 72 hour fasts. The old confused immune cells that were there, they start to die off, right? And your body starts to regenerate these new, healthy, young, stress-resilient immune cells. It is literally an immune system makeover. But if you want to go even deeper, that's when we go to 3 to 5 days. And at that point, you reach maximal autophagy and stem cell increase. This is the deepest level of cellular healing and regeneration possible. You see, autophagy is at its absolute peak. Stem cells, the master cells that can become any type of cell your body needs, increase throughout your body. This is where profound healing happens. Chronic conditions that haven't responded to anything else start to improve. Your body is regenerating damaged tissues, replacing dysfunctional cells, and resetting inflammatory pathways. This is also where many people experience spiritual and mental breakthroughs. There's something about deep fasting that clears not just the body, but the mind and emotions as well. Now, I'm not saying everybody needs to do a 5-day fast, but knowing that this level of healing is possible and that it's completely free and natural, that's empowering. Now, this is how you use this information. It could seem a little daunting, a little overwhelming. I want to assure you, just start where you are. If you're currently eating 3 meals plus snacks throughout the day, start by eliminating all the snacks. Just 3 good quality meals, high protein in those meals. I recommend 30 to 50 grams of protein in each of those meals, healthy fats, right? And then also make sure you're getting colorful fruits and vegetables. And then make sure you're getting a 12-hour overnight fast between your last meal, your dinner, and your first meal, your breakfast the next day, at least 12 hours. Once that feels easy, push breakfast to 1 to 2 hours later, and now you're at 14 hours. That's where insulin drops and fat burning kicks in. Do that 5 days per week. And then you want to progress gradually. Over time, you're going to notice you're just not as hungry. You take out the ultra processed foods, the seed oils, really focus on high protein meals with healthy fats, colorful fruits and vegetables. Get that 12 to 14 hour morning fast. You're going to notice you're less hungry. Hydrate well while you're in your fasting window. And over time, you're going to be able to work up to 16 to 18 hours on most days. Remember, this is where you're getting ketones and that BDNF, brain-derived neurotropic factor. This is your daily sweet spot for inflammation reduction, mental clarity, and fat loss. Now, once you get to this point, I recommend doing this once per week. Try a 24-hour fast, 1 day a week, dinner to dinner, or lunch to lunch, or it could be breakfast to breakfast, whatever works better. It could be from a morning meal to a morning meal the next day. This is how I like to do it. I like to go lunch to lunch. I'll finish my lunch at 2 p.m. and I'll fast until roughly 2 p.m. the next day. That seems to work best for me. A lot of people do dinner to dinner, where they finish dinner at 6 or 7 p.m. They fast to dinner the following day. Whatever way you want to do it, get that 24-hour period in. That's going to give that HGH, that human growth hormone surge, and let you get into deeper autophagy. Do that every week, and you're getting 52 deep resets per year. Now, here's the next step. Once per month or once per quarter. So once every month or once every 3 months, depending on, your motivation, how much weight you want to lose, your level of inflammation, right? And your schedule and what you're able to do, consider a 48 to 72 hour fast for full immune system rejuvenation and maximum healing. Now, what can you expect when you do that? Within days, you're going to notice better energy, clearer thinking, and less bloating. Within weeks, inflammation markers drop, weight comes off, and chronic symptoms improve. Within months, you'll feel like a different person. And remember, this costs nothing. It saves you time. It's the most powerful anti-inflammatory tool you have. So there it is, the fasting timeline from 12 hours all the way to 5 days. Each window brings specific healing benefits. You're lowering insulin, burning fat, producing ketones, surging growth hormone, activating autophagy, shifting your gut microbiome, regenerating your immune system, and increasing stem cells, all for free. So what are your action steps? Start with 12 hours tonight, then push to 14 hours tomorrow. Build up gradually. Your body will adapt and it will get easier. This is the one thing that destroys inflammation, and it's been inside you all along. You can absolutely do this. Be sure to talk to your friends, right? It's always good to be able to do like an intermittent fasting or even an extended fast with other people that you know and that you care about. This can literally change and save your life. Be sure to share this video with somebody that you know and that you care about as well. Thank you for being a part of our online community. We'll see you in a future video training. Be blessed.